We've branched out to celebrate Arbor Day in the city at College Gardens Elementary School. We're learning why the future of trees is rooted in the kids.
It is our duty to take action for our planet, and today is a perfect example of this action set forth. And I am just so proud.
The school's 5th grade class and the local Girl Scout troop joined the city of Rockville and the mayor and council in commemoration of Arbor Day in the city.
It's always important when you can do something for your community. It's always important when you have a way in which the community can be involved in the presentation, in the pride that comes from celebration.
And the city of Rockville has something to celebrate with their Tree City USA designation, according to City Forester Wayne Knoll.
We planted 2 willow oaks out on the playground to help provide shade for the seating benches and the playground. So the Arbor Day tree planting ceremony is something we do every year as part of our Tree City USA status.
The title of Tree City USA is earned when a certain amount of city funds is allocated for tree maintenance and planting, a tree board is established, and an Arbor Day celebration and a tree planting ceremony is held.
It reflects the work that we put into it. We really do. We plant a lot of trees. We have rules that very carefully control who can do what with their trees. And trees are something that actually comes up more in the city government than you would think.
Rockville has always treasured its trees, and it's always been an environmental leader in the country, and I think this just is a continuation of all that.
While the celebration of Arbor Day and the tree planting ceremony was an environmental effort, it was also educational.
Yeah, we are educating our kids, and these kids will be able to watch these trees grow for years and years to come, hopefully, in their community. And it it'll teach them about why trees are important. They do so many wonderful things for our environment.
If they can be aware of the benefits of trees and the benefits of taking care of the planet at this age, they will take that through the rest of their lives.
For more on trees in the city, go online to rockvillemd.gov and search trees.